This is a simple and beautiful economical house, designed to offer maximum comfort on a minimal budget. Let's start with the small front garden. Though compact, it's neatly maintained and adds a fresh, welcoming vibe to the house. A few green plants, colorful flowers, and a stone path leading up to the front door create a peaceful and inviting entrance. As we step inside, the first thing we notice is the living area. There's a modest yet comfortable sofa set, not too big, not too small, just the right size for a small family. Mounted on the wall opposite the sofa is an LED TV, saving space while adding a modern touch. The layout of the living space is such that it feels open and airy, even in a compact area. Next, we move toward the kitchen. This is an open-style kitchen directly connected to the living area. It features a small countertop, basic cabinets, and a sink. There's also a stove and an exhaust fan to keep the air fresh while cooking. In one corner of the kitchen, there's a space for a washing machine. This is where the laundry area is set up. It's compact but functional, with proper drainage and some space for drying clothes as well. Now let's take a look at the bedroom. The bedroom includes a double bed with built-in storage underneath, perfect for saving space. Alongside the bed is a wardrobe and a small study or work table. Light curtains hang over the window, allowing natural light to brighten the room while still maintaining privacy. The washroom is another essential part of this house. Though small, it is well designed. The toilet and shower areas are separated, and there's a small basin with a mirror. A tiny window provides ventilation, helping to keep the space fresh and dry. Finally, we head to the back of the house where there's another small garden or lawn space. This spot is ideal for evening tea, planting a few herbs, or just enjoying some quiet time. It may be a small area, but it offers peace and connection with nature. This economical house is perfect for those who want to live smart and comfortably within a budget. It focuses on simplicity, functionality, and smart use of space. Every corner is thoughtfully designed to meet daily needs without wasting money or resources. Whether you're a small family, a couple, or even a single person looking for a compact home, this type of house proves that you don't need a huge budget to live well. With smart choices and a clean design, an economical house can truly become a dream home.